Hello, Heather with Usborne Books and More with you today, sharing the Peek Inside Animal Homes. This book is beautiful. It has beautiful illustrations, very cute characters, and it's a very fun way to start introducing habitats to your young readers. So you can see that there's little cutouts on some of the pages. Nice sturdy cover. And the pages are also it's more of a board book as well. So you do have some lift the flaps here as you go through. See all the little tadpoles. And this is really cute. The nest here for the bird. Oh, let's see that, the chickens. The nest here for the bird is a cutout. When you open it up here, it's now the squirrel's home. So fun how they utilized all the little cutouts. And you get a sneak peek inside all of these animals' homes. The flaps are real easy for your younger ones to be able to lift. Just a nice interactive book. Little chunks of information on each page, helping them retain that information as well. I think this book was very, very well done. Lots of fun. A great book for your little ones, The Animal Homes. Happy reading!